Hello, I'm here to talk about different safety accessories that are available for your boat, and we'll go through some of them. Most of them on the table are quite straightforward, but we'll take a little bit of an in-depth look at them. Sometimes we take for granted some of the products that we have as baseline security kits and find out that they're either missing things or they're just not right for you. So this is the purpose of this video, go through some of those selections. Now, that being said, the actual minimum requirements that are necessary on your boat are printed on Transport Canada site, and we've got it within our own catalog, and so you can view it here. You've got your own copy that you can get for yourself, which includes many different accessories from AMA Marine's line of products, as well as in there all of the necessary requirements, and these are available for free when you click the link on the PDF on our website. So that being said, let's go through some of the accessories. So the very first one is the economy safety bucket. Now this bucket is required on most boats, check for you, and it includes the water bailer bucket. It includes the flashlight, no batteries. So a flashlight without batteries, just remember, is not considered a flashlight because it doesn't work. So please add batteries and verify them every so often. So the kit includes the bailer, the battery, the no batteries, the flashlight, I'm sorry, and the whistle along with the 50-foot throw line. Now from this one here, Fox 40 offers another more deluxe model, which serves for the same requirements, but it's got handles, so it's actually easier as ergonomic handles to bail. As well, it includes the battery on this one. So overall, the kit is similar, but it's just a little bit better and better equipped. Now, along the throw lines, if we separate them individually, we've got a number of different throw lines. So Fox 40 makes a nice quality line. So that's a 50-foot throw line. And QuickTech makes one that has the floater as well. So this is a 50-foot line, and so is this. They're a 1/4 inch, and their economy. This is an economy line, but it at least satisfies the minimum requirements if you require a safety throw line. We also have these in just a generic rope that's a floating line, but 20 foot. Next, we go into the throw bags, which are the same 50-foot lines, but in a useful application. By useful application, what I mean is that the lines in the bucket, they don't have weighted apparatus on them so that they're actually efficient when you throw them overboard. So if you have a rope like this, it is legal, but it's not very, you just throw and hold on to the rope and it's just a big mesh. So in terms of life-saving application, you may want to upgrade to a throw line that's actually useful. So this one here, the line feeds out the back and you throw it, keeping the rope on your wrist, and then the person hangs on to the actual floating mechanism and then you can pull them back. The same thing, and this is a 50-foot line, the same thing here for AMA Marine's throw line. Put it around your wrist, throw the bag, and the rope will come apart as the bag pulls apart. It is available as well through Fox 40, and we've got the 90-foot version, which is the big bag that's available from Fox 40, and it's the same principle. You throw the line, and then the bag unwinds, and then you restack it when you're done. It can be reused. On the master kit, it's like a toolbox that you open up, and in there you've got the fire extinguisher for 5BC series boats. Check again in the book if you require a 5BC or a 10BC. They don't make the kit with a 10BC setup. This is a 5BC. The base kit and a small anchor, folding anchor with the clip ready to go. Quite useful in an all-in-one kit. Something to always consider, got a hole in the boat, these are quick plugs. So these are cork and they could be very useful if you actually have a hole in the boat and you just punch the hole out. So they come with different sizes for all different applications of different size holes. So this could be a good lifesaver, especially offshore. We've got classic whistles. In terms of waterproof flashlights, we've got two waterproof flashlights here, a smaller and a larger one, so just different handles. They don't come with the battery. And this one here is not a waterproof flashlight, but it's actually a multifunction tool, and I wanted to include it. So let's take a look at this light. So in the back here, you've got a clip to hang, so it's always useful. You've got ambient lighting here, flashlight type lighting. You have a clip, magnetic hookup, glass breaker, and a X-Acto knife. Really kind of neat. So I just wanted to include this one because I just think it's such a neat product. Lastly, we have the lifesavers and their supports. So the lifesaver, in the size, and we'll just go through it, I'll use the book, I believe it's 29.5 foot length and up require it. Let's take a quick look. So yes, as of 9 meters, 29.5 feet, you have to have the buoy. So that's a minimum requirement. And so on boats, we've got the white or the orange. These are 24-inch, and they are available in white or orange. Now, if you have commercial applications, you need to use the 30-inch. So if it's a pleasure boat, the 24 is fine. When you get to commercial applications, you need the SOLAS approved one, and so that's a big boy, and it's got the SOLAS tape, and this is SOLAS approved for all commercial applications. So this one's only available in orange because it has to be regulated through the commercial series on the SOLAS. They don't make them in white. But if you have a pleasure boat, you're free to choose between an orange and a white. Now, take a look again in the book. It requires, maybe in your case, it requires that it's with its own attached line. So that means that you may have this, but you need a life ring that has its own line together as a kit, so that when you throw the life ring, the rope comes back so that you can actually pull the person with the life ring back on board. So verify that. Again, the information's on Transport Canada's site, or it's on our catalog, and it's available online. Lastly, I want to show the different mounts that are available for those life rings. So you've got them here in a bag in a nice white finish, and these are rail mounts. You can always screw them into the wall directly, not using the clamp-on rail mount, and they're available in 7/8 and 1-inch diameter. But if you have a 1 1/4, you can kind of get away with it. Sometimes you can put electric tape, a couple of lengths, and then you can squeeze them in. So these are easy. This here, the stainless steel version, so it's just a stainless steel ring, and it's always got that attachment so that if you hit a bump or a big wave, it doesn't pop off. Remember to put it on. Sometimes you have it and you don't put it on and it falls. So these here are quite useful. And we have the version here that also can support the light. So it's rail mount as well, but you can put your safety light as well, or you can attach the throw line to it. This is what it looks like when it attaches to the ring. So the ring goes in and the bungee goes over. So these are great on the bow and the front. You can put them on the outside, you can put them on the inside. So these are the different mount availables that we offer for you. I hope this helped. Thank you very much.